Hello everybody, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. I just have a quick video for you tonight. I am actually doing a Spooktacular Fall Halloween Rosette Challenge and giveaway. So, yeah, that's quite a mouthful. Anyways, how I came about wanting to do this challenge is that I'm sure many of you know from watching my videos the last couple weeks, I am addicted to making these rosettes, and I keep going bigger and bigger and bigger. And as I've been cleaning up my craft room, I thought, oh my gosh, I want to decorate my craft room corner, my one wall in the corner, with fall and Halloween themed rosettes. And so, you know, I was thinking about how I would go about doing that and everything. And then I came across, as I was cleaning my craft room, I came across this set of stamps that I happen to have actually 2 of. So I've got 3 sets of stamps here. They're all Halloween based. I actually have the same ones right here. So what happened was last year, I'm a huge fan of the Sassy Club. In no way, shape, or form is she promoting this video at all. I purchased these stamps last year, like I said, and I ended up buying doubles and was always going to give them away as gifts to friends and whatnot, and I really don't have any friends that stamp anymore. So I thought, well, this is the best opportunity, is I can kill 2 birds with 1 stone. So I'm doing a challenge, and the challenge is that, here are the rules. You must be 18 years or older. You must be a visible subscriber. Like this video and comment. Submit 1 fall or Halloween themed handmade rosette this size. This is about 5.5 in diameter, almost 6. So I wouldn't want it any bigger than 7 inches. So the minimum is going to be 5.5 in diameter, but no larger than 7 inches in diameter, please. That way then they're all pretty much the same size, and I can just hang them at different lengths. Okay. You don't have to necessarily punch a hole in them for me to hang unless you really want to. Otherwise, what I think I'm going to do is I will probably just use like those mini clothespins and hang them that way or something. I'm not sure yet. So 1 rosette entry per person. If you want a bonus entry point or an extra entry, please do a video response and leave a link in the comments down below. The reason why I say only 1 rosette entry per person is that, you know, I don't know how this is going to go. Maybe 1 of you will participate. Maybe none of you will participate. Maybe 30 of you will participate. So I just think that 1 is enough. This is a very large rosette. And, you know, I just decorated this pretty simple by putting this circle on there and a flower. But you can decorate yours as extravagant or as minimal as you'd like. The idea is just to get kind of a different collection of designs from other people. The challenge runs from today, I know it's late, tonight, August 7th, to September 18th. So that gives you about 6 weeks. And the winner will be announced, or the winners, I should say, will be announced on September 19th. I am going to pick 3 winners as long as I have 3 entries. If I don't have 3 entries, then I may save the other 2. You know, if I only get 1 person that enters, I may save the other 2 for, you know, another giveaway later on down the road. So again, like I said, in no way is this being sponsored. This is, you know, all me, and I purchased them and just want to share them to see what other people can make with them. So let's go through. I'm not going to actually take these apart because I have them already. We're going to go through the ones that that are my personal. So the first entry will get these slimy letters. As you can see, you've got the bold and the outline. And this is what they look like as they make this kind of spooktacular slimy look. Then you've got this next one, which is zombies. And the next one is called Witch Darla. And then we've got Bewitched, which is a bigger stamp set. And you want to pause the screen to be able to see it. I'm not going to go through each of them in detail right now. That, again, is for the first winner. The second winner is going to get this set of Mellows, which are marshmallow stamps. So in this pack, you will get Witchy Mellow. And again, this is a marshmallow witch. And then you will get Dracula Mellow, Mummy Mellow, and Pumpkin Mellow. So that is for winner number 2. And then the third and final winner will get this trio pack. And these are Spooky, Kooky, they're so cute, and Creepy. Now, I understand that you can't see them all very well right now. Like I said, next week, early next week, I will have these all stamped out for you, and I will have a project created for you to see some of the things that you can make with these, because you can make cards, you can make little gift boxes, little goodie packs, all kinds of things. So I just wanted to give back to all of my subscribers. I am so grateful for each and every one of you. I cannot thank you enough for all of your support. Every time you leave a comment or a thumbs up, it just makes my day. It obviously helps my channel, but this has been really good for me on a personal note. So I've really had some struggles over the last 6 months. So getting back into YouTube has really helped me out a lot. So I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you. And what a better way to do it than to give back. I know there's a lot of stampers out there that watch my channel. Oops, these aren't in order. Oh well. I know that there's a lot of stampers out there. So hopefully there will be enough people in there that can enter so that I can do this fun giveaway for you. I hope that you all enter. Please let me know if you have any questions. I will have all the details down in the description box below. But if you have any questions, please let me know. And I will be back with probably an update on Monday. And I will, like I said, I will have these all stamped out for you so that you can see what each of the images are going to be. So good luck, everybody, and thank you. Bye.